Okay, this thing not close the pressure switch, this one, so I open it, the inducer motor, and then see the board. See the board. That's why not close the pressure switch anymore. Yeah, here. So let's see, let's clean up everything. See. Okay, I put back everything then. That should be work. Okay, I put back everything, then plug it. Plug it back, then turn on. Come on. Pressure switch closed there, and then the is coming, and then the gas well will be open. It's good. And the last thing, the blower motor will be running. This unit yes, conform. I don't know what unit is that. Right now, it's good. Everything.